Do you know how to make parallax 3D photo animation in Photoshop? It's a piece of cake. Stay tuned. As usual, cut the subject out of the background, pick up quick selection tool and make the selection of subject. Hold Shift to add more selection or remove the selection with Alt. Add feather to it by pressing Shift F6 1 pixels. Then, take the selection to New Layer with Ctrl+Alt+J. Hold Ctrl and click to Layer 1 to take the subject selection again. Turn it off. Next step, we will remove the subject in background layer. Now just move to background layer. Go to Select, Modify, Expand, 20 pixels. Press Shift F5. Choose Content Aware in Contents box and OK. Photoshop will analyze and fill the selection with contents in background. It's quite OK. Pick up Clone Stamp tool to fix the row. To use this tool, you have to take the sample by hold Alt and click to the sample. Then pen to apply the sample to the destination. Click to lock icon to unlock the background layer. Turn back on layer 1. Create a new document with Ctrl+Alt+N. Set width at 2560 pixels, height 1440 pixels, resolution 100. Color mode RGB color. Background content white and create. Use Move tool to move these layers to new document. Ctrl+T to resize it to fix the layout. Right-click to Layer 1, select Convert to Smart Object. Do the same thing to Layer 2, go to Window, Timeline. Click Create Video Timeline. Drop-down menu in Layer 1 on the left side. Click to the lock. To create a keyframe, make sure the red line is at the beginning of the timeline. Now we'll move the red line to the end of the timeline. Then check to Auto Select box. Hold Shift, Alt, click to the corner and drag out to expand the background from the center. This action is for Parallax 3D creation. Then enter. Move on to Layer 2, create a keyframe on it, but this time ensure the red line is in the end of the timeline. Expand the size of the subject a bit, just like the subject is moving when we start the timeline. See how cool is it? However, you can only enjoy this effect on your Photoshop. If you want to share it to your friends or upload to social media, you have to export it to GIF file. To do that, go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Choose GIF format. And hit Save. Put the name and destination. Then save it. Now just open the file and enjoy. Alright, if you like this tutorial, hit like, subscribe and the bell to get the latest video for learning Photoshop every day.